welcome in to another woolly review, and today we have Drops Paris Unicolor in 100% cotton. Now this is an Aran weight. The colour for this is 24. It's a silvery grey. 100% cotton, approximately 75 metres on this ball. It's a 50-gram ball. And this cost, the cheapest I could find it, was Wool Warehouse for 65 pence. 65 pennies. Which is very, 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 very cheap for cotton. Now, ball winder is on. I'm going to use my custom-made hook by Jelena Cutlery Designs, who is linked down below. And what you see in the background are my hanky markers, which are for sale. All you need to do is tell me a certain colour or colours that you would like, and they are custom made to order. If you want one, or two, or 12, just let me know. Send me an email, lisaladybird@googlemail.com, and I can hook you up with some hanks. Okay. Now, I'm really worried about this particular cotton splitting because it looks very splitty. I'm a little apprehensive, but I am going to crochet as normal and see what happens. Of course, cotton is known to split anyway, but an Aran weight cotton is kind of a rare thing when it's 100%, so we'll see. Certainly feels nice in the hand, and it is squishy. All its details are down in the description below, underneath the like button and the subscribe button. Feels nice. Let's go up another one. Let's be daring, shall we? Let's be daring. But yeah, it's feeling fine. Right on time. Oops. That's my own fault for doing it too tight, but we're not here to review my stitching. We're here to review this Aran cotton and see what it does, what it feels like. Of course, it's cotton, so there's no stretch in this. And my ball winder hates it, but that's okay. I can live with the ball winder hating it. It's got a really nice softness to this. Probably because the thickness of it. Feels nice in the finger, feels nice on the hand. Doesn't feel nice on the ball winder, but we won't go there. Let's do one more in the end. Okay. Whoops. Feels nice. Defined stitches. I'd be very, very happy wearing that. It's not what I bought it for, but I'd be very, very happy wearing it. Okay. Slow frog. Slow frog. And a quick. Not too much kink, but I can see where it's been frogged. It's ever so more slightly splitting apart, but it hasn't, and it didn't split while I was using it. Huge bonus for a cotton, right? Beanie, you'll make your mind up in a minute. Oh my gosh. Okay, So let's put its little belt back on. There we go. Now, Drops Paris, 65p. Let's have a think. Would I ever turn my back on it? No. Would I be really annoyed if that was the only thing there was? No. Would I be like, well, it's not what I was looking for, but yeah, it'll work, it's okay? Well, I would say that, but that just means that I'm carrying on. Would I be more than happy? I might have been looking for something else, but heck, I'm more than happy with that. Let's go with it. I would, but I'm going to go with 5 Ladybirds. I would probably pick that as my first choice. It is soft, it is squishy, it doesn't split, it doesn't seem to split. It's definitely wearable, it's got nice stitch definition. I really like it. There's some beautiful colours in this as well, almost like my stitchy markers, you know, just saying. But for me, definitely 5 Ladybirds. Woohoo! Okie dokie. So there is our stitch, our woolly review for today. Drops Paris. If it was any use to you whatsoever, please give a thumbs up. Maybe even subscribe down below, just above where all the info for this is. And maybe I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.